Alright, so you know when you're just scrolling through Twitter and you keep just post after post after post, you see these woke people, you know them. All woke people know is put their pronoun in their bio, cancel people, eat hot chip and lie. And then you see these people and think, what if I had an AI that acted like them? No, you don't think that? You're a normal person? Well, guess what, buddy? Being a normal person doesn't get YouTube clicks, so go fuck yourself.
Everyone I don't like is literally Hitler, literally Hitler, literally Hitler.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to...
Hey, what about non-binaries?
God, I sound like I'm making a political statement.
Everyone I hate is a literal Nazi.
What is your Twitter bio?
13 years young. Black Lives Matter. All cops are bastards. Fuck Trump. Fuck 12. Atheist. Anarchist. Muslim. Proud male lesbian. Profile picture by @white girl name. Alt account where I get quirky at Thernamiel. Hashtag Spleefeed. Hashtag Dream Team. Hashtag McKit.
Everyone I don't like is literally Hitler.
Opinions on Donald Trump.
Literally Hitler.
Yeah.
Everyone I hate is a literal Nazi.
Define educating.
Bullying someone over something mildly offensive they said 4 years ago.
Everyone I don't like is literally Hitler.
Opinions on capitalism.
Communism is superior. I love Karl Marx. Eat the rich.
Everyone I hate is a literal Nazi.
Who is your favorite musician?
Haha LMAO if you don't listen to. Musician nearly nobody knows. Don't even talk to me hee.
Everyone I don't like is literally Hitler.
Now for these last two, I have to clarify there is no political beliefs behind this video. I'm just making fun of the extremists and the shit I see on it almost a daily basis on Twitter. If Michael Reeves hadn't already made a racist robot, I would make one. I mean, you can consider my mean AI racist. He said some questionable things. So yeah, there's no political background behind this video.
Everyone I hate is a literal Nazi.
Are men and women equal?
Well, yes, but actually no.
Nice shirt.
I'm not wearing it to appeal to anybody, especially not society's heteronormative toxic expectations.
Everyone I don't like is literally Hitler.
Alright, I'll be the first to admit, this video is just absolute garbage. The reason for that is I have been really demotivated for a long time, so I haven't uploaded in 2 fucking months. But now I had a random strike of motivation, and I'm trying to do as much with it as I possibly can. I feel like if I take on too big of a project, I'm probably gonna lose my motivation before it's done. But I will be trying to upload a pretty big video that I've been working on and off for probably over a month and a half now. So yeah, I'll be trying that. Also, if you've watched my videos before, you definitely have noticed that my entire background has been completely flipped. This is actually how it actually looks. If you were standing here, this is what you would actually see. It used to be inverted. Now I fixed it. The reason is because whenever I try to point somewhere, I'd always look at that and then use my real life room, but I'd be confused because left is right, right is left. And also, it's a mirror, so usually mirrors are left, right, right, left, but this is a mirrored mirror. So it's right is right and left is left, which it's supposed to make sense, but it doesn't at all because I know this is me, this is a mirror. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, you can go ahead, like it, subscribe. I'll be trying to upload a new video within a week. Is gonna be a good one, trust me. So yeah, good to see you and bye.
Everyone I don't like is literally Hitler. Let's have a look and see. You got Donald Trump, PewDiePie, and Pepe the Frog. Hand signs, free speech, follow Godwin's law. Pro pro-life conservatives, grammar police.